Hey beautiful people, it's Coach Steph here, and welcome to a brand new focus in our affirmation journey. Today, we're shifting into clarity and focus and creating space in your mind so you can move through your week with direction, peace, and power. Life can get noisy. Deadlines, notifications, conversations, expectations. When everything is loud on the outside, it's easy for your thoughts to feel crowded on the inside. But stillness is where the mind starts to slow down and clear the clutter so you can think more clearly and make better decisions. Today, I want to guide you into a few minutes of quiet power. No pressure, no perfection, just you, your breath, and the reminder that clarity is already within you, waiting underneath all of the noise. So wherever you are right now, if it's safe to do so, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale gently through your mouth. As we move into this affirmation, allow your body to relax, your shoulders to drop, and your mind to soften. This is your moment of stillness. This is where clarity begins. In the middle of the noise, I choose stillness. Stillness is not emptiness, it is strength. It gives my mind space to breathe, clear out the clutter, and reset. I allow my thoughts to slow down. I release the need to rush, stress, or overthink. In stillness, my next steps become clearer. When I pause, I don't fall behind. I realign. Each moment of calm helps me see what truly matters and what can be released. I no longer chase clarity in chaos. I create clarity through quiet. My mind is becoming clear. My heart feels lighter. My focus is gently returning to what's important. I trust that when I slow down, I can hear my own wisdom more clearly. Answers rise when I give myself room to listen. I'm safe to be still. I am safe to breathe. I'm safe to take my time. Now take another breath. Slow breath in and feel your mind uncluttering, your body relaxing, your spirit grounding. And now say this with me out loud if you can. Stillness brings me clarity. My vision gets clearer every day. Say it again, a little more confidently. Stillness brings me clarity. My vision gets clearer every day. As you go into this week, school, to university, work, or in the business place, or around the family, remember, you don't have to carry the noise. You can always come back to your breath, back to your stillness, back to your clarity. And if today's affirmations lifted your spirit, imagine the ripple it could create for someone else. So go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe to stay aligned with your growth, and share this video to inspire others to rise with you. Together, we're building a space where confidence speaks, peace grows, and purpose lives. Until next time, keep speaking life into your journey. This is Coach Steph, and I'm proud of you for taking this time for you. Yes, you. Stay peaceful, stay focused, and I will see you next week as we keep building your clarity and focus together. Thank you for watching.